Hello everyone. Hello. This is Roslyn. This is an explanation of the 15-day challenge kit. So you've been seeing all over the internet total life changes like 15-day challenge, 15-day challenge. And you're like, what is that? So I have a challenge that's about to start. I have people that I have tagged that's going to start with me, some of my customers. And so I just want to tell everybody at what time what this challenge means and what we're going to do in the challenge. So the 15-day challenge kit includes the products in this box. So nice pretty box. And I'm just going to explain the products to you and what we're doing in the challenge. So the first product I'm going to talk about in the box is the ISO tea. Okay, this ISO tea is an instant tea, a little pack. You just put it in your bottled water. You can put it in a flavored water, but it's 30 of them in here. So 2 a day, 15-day challenge. 30, 2 a day, 15-day challenge, right? So this will detox your gut, help you release all the toxins and the waste that's been sitting in your belly for years and years and years. Just make sure you drink a lot of water behind this. So this is the Fruit Punch ISO tea, okay? It's 3 products in this box and plus a bonus, a free one that I'm giving to my customers. It's like literally free. The next product is NRG. This is natural raw energy. These are capsules. You take them once a day with food, okay? So I recommend that you just take this before noon. Try not to take it too late, but take it first thing in the morning. So this NRG does several things. Not only does it give you energy, it suppresses your appetite. For me, it helps me focus. I work from home. My attention span is very minimal. So this NRG helps with that and plus is a mood enhancer. Okay. The only thing about this NRG is if you have uncontrolled high blood pressure, you're sensitive to caffeine, you probably should talk to your doctor before taking this or not take it at all. Okay, that's NRG. The next product is Nutriburst. We've all heard of Nutriburst. This is the liquid gold, the liquid multivitamin. Because it's liquid, it goes directly into your bloodstream. This has all the vitamins, nutrients, minerals that we need on a daily basis. So the 15-day challenge kit, if you go on the website, is going to include these 3 products, okay? Detox Tea, energy supplement, and your Nutriburst, okay? But for my customers, because I'm such a giver, you're going to get a bonus product. It's going to be either the Life Drop or the Resolution Drops. For Tamika, Arnisha, Joe, I think you're going to be on the Resolution Drops. And then for Tara, my new customer referred to me by my husband, she's going to be on the Life Drop. She needs energy. So these Life Drops are has a lot of B12 in it. So it helps boost your energy level. So these are the free products. They are valued at, I think, like $60 each. So this is a free compliment. Okay, so I've explained the products, okay? The Detox Tea, you're going to take it twice a day. The NRG is a capsule. You're going to take it first thing in the morning or before noon with food. And the Nutriburst, you're going to take that first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, okay? Nutriburst, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Put it in the fridge. This is what I'm talking about, Nutriburst. Put this in the fridge. It tastes like orange juice. I take it straight up. You can mix it with orange juice if you want, but it's not a bad tasting at all. So those are the 3 main products. And then the Resolution Drops, these right here, you take 3 times a day. And you're supposed to take it before you eat. It helps suppress your appetite. For me, it don't really help suppress my appetite, but it takes the craving from sweets away. So when I take this regularly, I don't crave sweets. And if I do eat sweets, they don't even taste right. And the Life Drop is, I take these, let me tell you, got my little stash on my desk. This is how the Life Drops look. Okay, these right here, and you can see this bottle. I don't know if you can see the bottle, but it's almost gone. I take this for my energy supplement if I didn't take the NRG. Okay, so in addition to the products for the 15-day challenge, we have to work out 30 minutes a day, every day. It could be a walk, it could be a brisk walk, it could be, hello, whoever's watching. I can't even see the people on this live, but it could be whatever you want it to be, but dedicate 30-minute workout every day. You can do that for 15 days. I know you can. And we're going to eat better. I am not telling you how to eat. You already know you should be eating a low carb, low sugar type of diet, but that's going to be totally up to you. We'll check in. I'll ask, you know, what are you eating? So every night we'll check in. Don't worry about it disrupting your life. It'll be a real quick check-in because I know your time is valuable. So the check-in is going to be 15 minutes, no more than 30 minutes. A round robin. Did you work out today? How much water did you drink? What did you eat today? Did you take all of your products? Okay? Real simple, not embarrassing. It's not going to be on camera, like just a round robin, because we have to hold each other accountable. A lot of people buy my products, don't even use them. So if you want an accountability group, just call me. I have some boxes that I can send out to you. Yeah, so I just wanted to do a video about the 15-day challenge. What it is basically a jump start. It's the beginning of the year. We want a better body. The bodies in the summer are made in the winter. So we're about to make this body in the winter, help us to feel better, give us more energy. And yeah, that's what we're doing. My husband was nice enough to buy me a new Apple Watch because, you know, my other one broke on vacation. So I'm back in business. I'm so excited. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Feel free to contact me, DM me if you have any questions. No problem. That's what I'm here for. I'm literally giving this stuff away free. I'm not even making a commission off of it. I bought it on sale and I'm selling it to you at the price I bought it from because I'm trying to help everybody. So if you want the help, this is a limited time offer. I'm not just saying it. It's a limited time offer. I only have so many. Talk to you all later. Have a blessed day.